Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming exactly where the looseness lies, feel the clasp, flex the band, and observe any missing tension. Once done, stabilize the watch face down on a soft cloth and use a magnifier to spot a loose pin or worn hole. Make sure to pick the correct 0.5 driver and spring bar tool, using the wrong tool strips parts. Now, remove any nearby links or open the clasp to expose the failing connection. Proceed carefully, one movement at a time. You will next remove the offending pin or screw by pushing in the correct direction and catching the part in a tray. Once out, compare its diameter and length to a spare. A slightly thicker replacement restores tension. If the pin is bent, replace it. If it's loose, compress the new pin slightly with needle nose pliers to ensure a snug fit. After reinserting, work the link back into place and cycle the band. This confirms smooth movement and that the fix holds under normal wear. You finish by securing the clasp screws and rechecking all link pins. Tighten until firm, but stop before forcing. Stripped threads ruin the repair. Once secured, align the clasp so it closes flush and verify the watch sits comfortably on your wrist without wobble. Make sure to clean any grit from hinge areas and retest the band through a full range of motion. If something still slips, swap suspect parts or consult a watchmaker. Stripped components need professional attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.